Okay, good morning ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Now I will tell you about my presentation. The background study of my research is when I taste the maize cassava leaves, which is made by my mother, and she stated that is made by the sungai leaves, and I was surprised because I just know that every food in this world and this country used to cook any kinds of food for use MSG as the flavor. And my mom explained to me that the sungai leaves used to cook any kinds of food on our village from long time ago. And our forefathers didn't know the MSG, and they just named and used the sungai leaves as the flavorings instead of salt. Sorry. From this problem, I make the research entitled The Natural Revolution of MSG. My name is Jonathan Esri Alexander Tija. I come from Santa Maria Junior High School, Bunto. And this is the steps of my research. There are background, purpose, problem of the study, research methods, the result, and finally, conclusion and future works. First, I will tell you about the background of my study. I'll stem from my concern about the use of additive, especially monosodium glutamate, as a food flavor substitute. And according to the other book of Exotoxin, The Taste That Kills, it said that MSG is a chemical substance that can stimulate and kill the brain cells. In this era, MSG is made from sugarcane droplets, which are then fermented using microbial activity, and then crystallized and dried. The problem of the study. Then the problem is many food stalls in the street use of MSG excessively. It was not good. It's very bad. And I think that we will always do that. And we should use our natural flavorings, the sungai leaves. Because if we use it, it will be taste delicious like the food that use MSG. And then the purpose of the study is the sungai leaves can be an alternative of MSG. The researcher tried to explore more potential plants in Central Borneo as a particular placement of MSG, especially in Buntok, where you see sungai leaves. You know sungai leaves? The sungai leaves are native plants of hinterlands which have long been used by the Dayak Mayan community for seasoning dishes. And the leaves cross the other stem, and with the highest growth of about 3 meters. The roots of plants is a single roots. The methods of the study. For the study, I had made the sungai leaf into the powder form. It used to make it more practically. To make the sungai leaves into the powder form are first, choose and clean the sungai leaves and dispose of leaves bones, and then wrap the sungai leaves with newspaper and place in the oven for 25 minutes. And after that, dry the sungai leaves for 1 day without direct sunlight, and then put in a blender until it looks smooth. And finally, strain the sungai powder with the powder filter. And after the powder, the color of sungai leaves change to the dark green because from the drying process. And then I cook 4 different types of food. There are maize cassava leaves, Kenyan deep fried, bitternut deep fried, and chicken soup. And each of them served into 3 portions. First portion without sungai leaves or MSG, the second portion with sungai leaves, and the third portion with MSG. So, there are 12 samples from 4 different types of food. And then the respondents were not informed that both dishes were used sungai leaves, use MSG or without them. And then the respondent asked for it on a dish that has been tasted. And this is the result of the research from 25 respondents that has been tested of 4 different types of food. There are maize cassava leaves, Ganja stir-fried, bitter melon stir-fried, and chicken soup. And in this table, I have 3 colors to differentiate. The blue color without sungai leaves or MSG, yellow color with sungai leaves, and the red color with MSG. So, based on the result above, the sungai leaves can be used as additional seasoning in place of MSG on all types of cuisine, not only on traditional food. And it's essential that the sungai leaves can replace the role of MSG as the food flavorants. And my future works, first, I will find out what is the content in the sungai leaves which made it tasty like MSG. And the second, I will find out what is the effect of sungai leaves if it consumed overdose. And the third, I will cultivate the sungai leaves in my garden in my house area. And the fourth, I will find out if the effect of sungai leaves has the same effect like the marijuana if it consumed overdose. So, let's back to the traditional flavor by using sungai leaves. Thank you.